How much does LG TV repair cost? The cost of repairing an LG TV depends on the type of issue, screen size, model, and repair service provider. On average, LG TV repairs range from $50 to $500, with screen replacements being the most expensive repair. 1. Cost of common LG TV repairs. Minor issues, power problems, remote sensor fixes, $50 to $150. Backlight repair, $100 to $250. Powerboard or mainboard replacements, $150 to $250, $350. Screen replacement, $200 to $500, sometimes more expensive than a new TV. Second, screen replacement costs. Replacing an LG TV screen is usually the most expensive repair, costing $200 to $500 or more, depending on the size and display type, LED, OLED, or QNED. In many cases, replacing the TV is a better option than repairing the screen. Third, LG TV warranty coverage. If your LG TV is still under warranty, repairs may be free or at a reduced cost. However, physical damage, like cracked screens, is usually not covered, so repair costs must be paid out of pocket. Fourth, factors that affect LG TV repair costs. The TV size, model, type of damage, and repair location all impact the repair cost. Larger and premium models, OLED, QNED, 8K TVs, have higher repair costs due to expensive replacement parts. 5. Should you repair or replace your LG TV? If the repair cost is over 50% of a new TV's price, it may be better to buy a new TV instead of repairing it. Minor repairs such as backlight or powerboard replacements are usually worth fixing. 6. How to save on LG TV repairs. Check your warranty before paying for repairs. Compare repair service prices to find the best deal. Consider DIY fixes for minor issues like software updates or power resets. Look for authorized LG repair centers for quality service. LG TV repair costs typically range from $50 to $500 depending on the issue. If the repair cost is too high, replacing the TV may be a better investment. Always check your warranty and compare repair costs before making a decision.